Hi guys, we are going to introduce our latest folding e-bike. Featuring a step-through frame, and allows you to customize your ride with adjustable handlebars, 7 speeds, and 5 levels of pedal assist. You can adjust the limit speed through the display. Safety is paramount. LED headlight and tail light come standard on every model. This e-bike is easy to fold. And you can put it in the trunk of your car or easily in the RV so you can take it anywhere as your own two-wheeled companion. It can carry 120 kgs tiny SOM weight. And the driving distance is approximately 45 to 70 kilometers per charge. Shop this folding e-bike you can pull out for all-terrain rides, trips to the beach, or spins around town.